Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best first aid kit is probably one of the most essential items to have, whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, a parent, or simply someone who wants to be prepared for unexpected injuries. In this video, we'll dive into the world of first aid kits, exploring different types, what to look for, and how to choose the perfect one to meet your specific needs. Get ready to discover the ultimate first aid companion. Number 5. First Aid Only 298-piece First Aid Kit. This comprehensive kit includes a wide array of supplies. It's designed to handle various minor emergencies, ensuring you're well prepared for any situation. The kit is HSA/FSA eligible. The soft-sided zippered case features 2 separate layers. Individual compartments and clear plastic pockets make it easy to locate the supplies you need. This design ensures quick access when it matters most. Prioritize your safety with this convenient first aid kit. It's eligible for use with your HSA and FSA funds. This makes it easier to stay prepared for cuts, scrapes, and burns. Small enough to fit in a glove box or backpack. This travel-size kit provides peace of mind wherever you go. Keep it at home, in your car, or take it to college. Whether you're camping, backpacking, or traveling, this kit has you covered. It's ideal for dorms, vehicles, and any place you might need it. This kit ensures you're ready for minor emergencies. What we like. This kit is packed with everything you need for various situations. It's also compact, making it easy to take with you wherever you go. If you are looking for a comprehensive kit that's also HSA/FSA eligible, this is a great choice for your home, car, or travel needs. What people say. The kit is well organized and compact, making it easy to find what you need in an emergency. The inclusion of a comprehensive first aid guide is a great addition, providing clear instructions for various situations. The quality of the supplies is excellent, with durable materials and a good selection of essential items. Number 4. Protect Life 100-piece Mini First Aid Kit. This first aid kit is built for outdoor emergencies. It's a professional-grade kit, perfect for travel, hiking, and all your outdoor adventures. It's also HSA and FSA eligible. This lightweight kit fits easily in backpacks or glove boxes. It's a must-have for outdoor emergencies, hiking trips, or survival situations. Take it with you wherever you go. Made with high-quality materials, this small first aid kit is designed to withstand rugged use. It's ideal for campers, hikers, and anyone preparing for outdoor survival. It's built to last. Stocked with key emergency supplies, this mini first aid kit is great for hiking, biking, or camping. Stay ready for outdoor emergencies and minor injuries anytime, anywhere. It has everything you need. We're committed to safety with this compact, portable survival first aid kit. Designed for outdoor use, it's a reliable companion for adventure, travel, and unexpected emergencies. Trust it to keep you safe. What we like. This kit is designed by experts for outdoor adventures. It's compact enough to fit in your backpack, but packed with essential supplies. If you enjoy hiking, camping, or any outdoor activity, it's a reliable companion for unexpected emergencies. What people say. Complete kit, supplies for all possibilities. If something would happen, the supplies in this kit would hold you over until you got help. Small package so it doesn't take up much room. The Protect Life First Aid Kit arrived neatly packaged with all supplies organized inside a sturdy, lightweight case. It includes a wide variety of items that make it useful for home, travel, hiking, or keeping in the car. The compact design makes it easy to store without taking up much space, and the quality of the case and supplies feels reliable for handling small emergencies. Very handy and complete first aid kit. This kit is being used in a dorm room and keeps all the bandages and more in one location. Number 3. Be Smart 326-piece First Aid Kit. This first aid kit, made by a leading U.S. manufacturer, contains 326 pieces. It's designed to provide comprehensive first aid treatment for both adults and children. The kit exceeds safety standards. The kit meets or exceeds OSHA guidelines, making it ideal for businesses. It's also perfect for family use at home. This ensures that it is suitable for various environments. Inside, you'll find fully organized compartments for quick access to supplies. The design allows for easy retrieval of items when they are needed most. This feature is crucial in emergency situations. The rugged, high-density plastic case is impact-resistant. It features 2 separate layers with tilting shelves for easy access and refills. The case is built to last. The kit can be wall-mounted or stored compactly. It includes easy slide latches for secure closure and a refill order form. This makes it convenient for any setting. What we like. This kit meets and exceeds safety standards for workplaces. It's designed with organized compartments for quick access to supplies. If you need a comprehensive kit for your office or a large family, it's a great choice. What people say. This one is the single best one I've ever used. I've taken it camping with friends and they always chuckle at how big and bulky it is. Until they scrape their shin and I've got bandages for days. Or the bugs bite and I've got treatment for that. Or they burn their hands and I've got treatment for that. Has a huge assortment of odds and ends, hopefully way more than I will ever need. Part of the attractiveness of this kit was the sturdy, decently designed hard case it came in. The case seems like it will do a good job of protecting all the contents. Number 2. First Aid Only 91248 50-person First Aid Kit. This kit is fully OSHA compliant, ensuring you have the necessary supplies. It includes a variety of essential items to handle different types of injuries and emergencies. Inside, you'll find everything from bandages and gauze to burn cream and antiseptic wipes. It also includes gloves, scissors, and tweezers, making sure you are well equipped. This kit is perfect for your office, home, or car. The durable plastic case has easy slide latches, keeping all the supplies secure and accessible. The clear cover and organized compartments make it easy to find what you need quickly. This design ensures that you can respond efficiently in any emergency. Whether it's for your home, office, or construction site, it is designed to keep you prepared. It is a great choice for various environments, ensuring safety wherever you go. You can use your HSA or FSA funds to purchase this kit. Prioritize your safety and be prepared for any situation with this convenient and eligible first aid kit. What we like. This kit is OSHA compliant, making it suitable for businesses. It comes in a durable plastic case with easy-to-access compartments. If you need a reliable kit for your workplace or a large group, it's a great option. What people say. Great med kit. Well stocked and decent room to add your own. Compact size and good variety. The 260-piece count, organization, durable case, and OSHA compliance make it a very good pick. Size is great and fits in the vehicle without taking any room. Compact look and seems to have everything I could need for any minor injuries. Nice and organized, and the case is great to prevent anything from getting ruined in the conditions. Number 1. VRIEXSD 400-piece First Aid Kit. This first aid kit includes 400 essential pieces. It's designed to handle various emergency situations, from minor scrapes to more serious wounds. It has everything you need to be prepared. Inside, you'll find adhesive bandages, a tourniquet, bandages, and an emergency blanket. There's also a first aid guide to help you through any situation. With this kit, you'll be ready for anything. The kit features divided compartments with clear labels. This smart design allows you to quickly find what you need in an emergency. It ensures that you can treat wounds as fast as possible. The compact size, 9.4 by 3.9 by 6.8 inches, makes it easy to carry. It weighs only 2.64 pounds and can be stored in your car, backpack, or anywhere you might need it. The bag is made of high-quality, durable 1680D polyester fabric. It's also waterproof, so the contents are protected from rain and other elements. This makes it ideal for outdoor adventures. Keep it at home, in the office, or take it on your outdoor adventures. It's perfect for families, hikers, campers, and anyone who wants to be prepared. Consider giving it to your family and friends. What we like. This kit contains a large number of items for various situations. The compartments are clearly labeled for easy access. If you are looking for a kit that is well organized and suitable for outdoor activities, you should consider it. What people say. Found a very well stocked, organized kit. The case holder organizes first aid items well. Seems to be a fairly well-stocked first aid kit. I like the fact that it is self-contained. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.